Hi, I am Debbie Haney, and I came to see Dr. Scott about 3 months ago, and before that, I had just seen all kinds of medical doctors, and nobody could help me with my problem. I could never get to the root of the problem. They always just wanted to give me a medication or a pill for that caused other side effects. And so, what my problem was is that I was um, I had a lot of gas, a lot of bloating, um, weight gain, carrying a lot of inflammation where I was just like tired all the time. Um, uh, I guess had like brain fog where you have no motivation to want to do anything because you just don't feel good. When I would eat, I would uh, I would get nauseous after I would eat. I wouldn't feel good after I ate, and then I would have a lot of acid reflux where I had problems sleeping at night because of the acid reflux. I saw a gastroenterologist, and uh, they prescribed me medication, which only made the symptoms worse as far as digesting my food and that type of thing. So I was just at wit's end that I was sick and tired of being sick and tired. And so I saw Dr. Scott's, I saw one of his videos on Facebook, and I thought, well, this is exactly what I need. So I came to Dr. Scott, like I said, 3 months ago, and he did a bunch of blood work and testing. And also, I forgot to mention, but I've had two autoimmune diseases since I was like 12 years old. So I'd been battling those. So Dr. Scott did some testing and found out what my autoimmune triggers were. And so he put me on a 3 month, what we call GI repair diet protocol, and to start the healing process because we found out I wasn't digesting my fats and my proteins, so I wasn't absorbing the nutrients of my food. And something else I failed to mention was I had extremely dry skin, and nothing I could do, no matter how much lotions and stuff, but that is improved. Now that we're at the end of the 3 month protocol that he put me on, then I feel great. And so the acid reflux and the nauseousness after eating really started. I started feeling better from that within the first week. And so by the end of 2 weeks, the acid reflux was completely gone. And so now the bloating and the gas is completely gone. I've lost 10 pounds so far. And I feel like I don't have the inflammation in my body that I had before and I have lots more energy, motivation to get up and exercise. And I just feel like I have a clearer mind, and just like I feel like I have vibrant health again. So I'm really grateful for what Dr. Scott has done. And we haven't done my 3 month follow up on the blood work yet, but to see exactly where that is. But I'm confident that that's going to be greatly improved after that, because I know that I feel good. I feel really good. So I'm grateful for Dr. Scott that I could come here and he could get to the root of the problem. No other doctor could get to the root of the problem and help me with what was going on.